Hi, my name is Siddharth, and my teammate is Jeffin John Zakaria. So today we are going to talk about how we did lab number 5. So we did this lab like in several parts, like comparing 4 videos. So we have edited the videos together. So the first part will be explained by Jeffin.
Hi, as explained by Siddharth. So, hi, hello, my name is Jeffin. So, as explained by my teammate Siddharth, uh, first of all, the part one is about of the lab 5 is about the de-authentication of DOS using the MDK3 and MDK4. So, basically, what we do is here. Uh, we have installed the Kali Linux platform using VMware, and we have installed the MDK3 and MDK4 versions. As explained by Siddharth, we have compiled it. So we'll be starting a video presentation right now. Siddharth, could you please start? Okay. So first of all, we will be writing we have connected the Wi-Fi adapter to run in the monitor mode, and we will be also writing the typing the commands related to the second step as mentioned in the lab manual. So the first one here will be uh, the sudo if config WLAN 0 down, which means to change the interface state to down mode. So as explained in the lab manual, we will be typing this command first.
Okay, guys, good night.
Okay, so uh, we will be writing first of all we have connected the Wi-Fi adapter, and we have just used the hotspot in our phone. So the phone which I have connected right now is the uh, S9, which is the Android phone which supports both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz respectively. And I have tried to connect with the iPhone, but unfortunately, I was not able to connect it using the iPhone. Uh, so, uh, first one in the video right now, I'm trying to connect it with the iPhone, and it's getting unsuccessful. So So the first command I have written was this sudo if config wlan down, and the second one was the sudo mac changer or wlan 0 respectively, and the third one the the last command which I am writing right now is the uh, channel selecting command. That means like towards which channel the S9 phone is connected. So uh, so right now I am trying to connect, but there I have encountered a small error regarding with the WLAN 0 device. So the error which I have encountered right now was the MAC address error. So I'm trying to repaste it to the notepad mentioned in the MDK. That's the new file mentioned in the Kali. That's a blacklist file. So I'll be pasting my MAC address over there, and I am trying to rerun the command right now. And okay, so right now we will be running the command using the channel 1 connected to S9, and we are trying to connect it through the to our Wi-Fi right now. Mm, okay, so it's trying to connect right now. Yeah, so this is the Wi-Fi screen. So right now I'm connecting it to the S9, where this attack will be executed right now. I will be unable to connect to the network right now. So it's checking the network requirements and it's unable to connect right now. So this is our first attack using the mm, MDK3 at WLAN 0. So the next part right now we are going to perform is using the BSS ID, that is the same which we have. Say BSS ID stands for the MAC address which we will be using directly when writing the code in the WLAN 0 using MDK4. So we are typing the command. And at this time, due to certain issues in the S9, we have connected to another Android device called Mi11X, and we are trying to configure that channel. uh, and right now it's connected, and what we are seeing here is like we will be like moving to uh, yeah, there are a lot of packets being sent and disconnecting and connecting. So what exactly this will show is right now is that we are not able to see it on the Wi-Fi screen, that it's disconnecting and connecting every uh, now and then. So right now what we will be doing is that we will go to YouTube and try to reconnect the system again. Now it's connecting, and after some time I'm trying to visit another tab here. So what basically happens here is, yeah, we have encountered this like due to the huge packets getting disconnected. uh, right now we are not able to simultaneously connect to the YouTube back we have done before. So that's what happens in this attack right now. And the Wi-Fi screen doesn't show it, and right now we are able to connect it again to the YouTube, and it takes time to load. So that's exactly what this attack happens here. So the delay in connection is due to the instability in the network, because this attack has implemented and running at the background in Kali, so we are not able to connect right at the moment. But before we was able to connect the net using the same device. Right now we are not able to connect. So the next attack here we are going to explain here is the to deauthenticate all the clients associated with the uh, AP broadcasting on a specific channel. So here what we will be using S9. We will try to use S9 again, but due to a small slight encountered a slight error that had been encountered in the acrylic Wi-Fi, I'm going to restart the acrylic Wi-Fi again. Here, like before we are going to start, we will be running a small speed test to check the connectivity. Okay, so we were not able to connect to S9 again due to a small issue. So we are using MI11 here too. So we are pasting the MAC address of MI11. So it has changed the channel from 5 to 6. So that's what we are pasting it again to the text file which we have created in the uh, so here we are running a small speed test based on the connectivity to the MI11X before performing the next attack. So we are getting a download speed of 52.18 right now, so and an upload speed of 59.63. These were the results that were shown before the attack happens. So the MI11 is perfectly working under this condition with a perfect upload and download speed. So right now I will be typing the next command. So here each as mentioned in the lab manual, each command and each wording has a specification or identifier, like when we are writing a sudo mdk3 WLAN 0b, where the B stands for the beacon flooding attack, and C specifies the channel number to attack. So C11 means channel 11, so we are using C6, so that's the channel 6. That's the channel which our MI11 has been assigned right now. So we are going to run the test again, and here's what it happens. As we have seen before, the speeds were around 55 for the download. Right now it has reduced to 19.10 is the download speed right now. It's almost half, yeah, less than half, because attack has been performed. And and the upload speed also has reduced significantly, a little less, right, to 48.31. So this is the attack right now we have performed. So the next one will be, uh, we'll be performing another throughput test again, to see the speed of the system after disconnecting from the attack. Okay, so the right now we are going to perform as part 2, and this is the step 3 in part 2, that is the fake access point. So instead of naming fake access point, we'll be naming our device, that's the SSID of our device, called the MI11X, and we will be providing the specific channel number also to it. So this attack is basically implemented using the MDK4. So at first, due to some identifier error, like the spelling error in the SSID, I was unable to go to the unable to get the output, because a small error has been encountered. But right now, uh, as we can see in the screen, the packets is significantly responding very speed. So now we are getting all the packets, and our Wi-Fi screen shows multiple MI11X points right now. So this is the attack that's been performed. That's a fake access. So as specified in the lab manual itself, it's a fake Wi-Fi connections has been set up here. Yeah, there are three of them right now, apart from the MI11X connected. And we were able to encounter MI11 1 2 3 4 four times at the moment. So this is the attack that's attack using the MDK4. So after the attack, I'll be running a speed test again. So this is the download and the upload speed which I'm getting after the attack. So since the command has been running at the background, so we have suspended the command right now, and we'll be trying to check the speed again. So still there is a small decrease in the speed right now. See, the download speed has reduced and the upload speed remains almost the same. So we will try to connect and disconnect it once again. And it's connected, and we will be running a speed test once again to check whether the attack has been removed right now. and see the system has returned to a normal state where there is no attack, where the speed has significantly increased like 4 times. So it's almost 65, 66 in the download section. It's almost spotted to 65.22 in the download after the attack right now. So even after like getting out of the attack, we have to connect and reconnect it to the Wi-Fi again, the Mi11X, to get the proper speed. And this is the speed which we have encountered after the attack. So this is the 65.22 download and 62.13 upload. So the next one we will be performing, the next attack will be in the DOS, that's the denial of service, using authentication flood. That means we'll be using the MDK3 and we'll be connecting it to WLAN 0, and the AA stands for the authentication on denial of service attack, and the BSS ID specified here is the ID, that's the MAC address specified to the Mi11X. So basically what happens in this attack is that the system will automatically connect to numerous clients. So when this attack is implemented, gradually the net speed also reduces because a huge amount of clients has been connected to the network. So right now we will be performing a speed test and see the speed eventually has decreased because a huge amount of client has been connected. So it's increasing, the client number has been significantly increasing to 4500 right now. So the download speed has gradually reduced to 13.35. Right now it's connected to 5500 clients, and the upload speed is still reducing. Before we had, it's almost like similar, a 0.3536 difference is there in the download and upload speed. So this is what it happens using the MDK3 and WLAN 0 using the BSS ID, that's the MAC address. So this is the attack we are here to perform right now. Okay, in the previous two steps we missed like we haven't shown the Wireshark using the packets. So what we are doing here is like we are going to connect to the WLAN mode to see the packets, the amount of packets that we have been receiving right now. Right now we can see there's a lot of broadcast packets, cloud packets, cloudnet packets, and Lightron packets, and there are some explicit packets in red color that has been showing. So due to our system limitations, we have connected to a new device called OnePlus 7. So that device is used as the network connecting device here. So that's our packet collection using the Wireshark for the first part. So the packets are collecting right now. So we have the light on TE, and still we are performing the version. So a lot of packets is being captured using this WLAN 0 mode, uh, and initially initially a lot of packets including the uh, packets which with some red background is also being captured right now.
ഒറ്റ റെക്കോർഡിങ്.
So now we are going to the third part that we have missed out, that perform a Wireshark capture using the Kali. So in this part also we have connected using the OnePlus 7 as the device. So we will be going to WLAN mode to perform the packet capture. So as we can see here, similar to the first part, there are a lot of packets being captured with the CloudNet packets, and we have also special packets in the marked in red. There are a lot of packets running right now with the CloudNet, and source address mentioned, and a destination address also is mentioned, and the protocol followed is like 802.11. Uh, so as a packet similar to the an IP address is being transferred, namely 192.168.1.1 is also being transferred in between these packets. So some of the messages is being captured right now using this packet capture in the third one. So basically in this denial of service using the authentication flood, the packets that are being captured uh, have some explicit address too inside it attached with it. So basically after the packet capture, uh, we will be performing the fourth step to perform an authentication denial of service attack using the mdk4 command right now. So we will be just waiting for the packets, uh, and we will be shortly stopping the packet capture using the Wireshark, and we have stopped it, and we are not saving it right now at the moment. So we will be typing in the last one first, like the step number 5 in the part 3, that is the sudo mtk4 ai with the bss id, respective bss id. So in this we are using a new device with a new mac address right now. So there is an we have encountered some error in this code. Similarly, we will be writing out the fourth step 2 using the sudo mdk aa with the bss id. So that's what uh, both the steps give us a similar error right now. Mm. So we are trying to install the mtk4 again and trying to rerun the command. So we are encountering the error again. Maybe because of the mtk packet has not been installed properly. So we are running the command again with the aa and the bss id. Still there is an error encountered in this command. So we are just going through there. There is a message at the top regarding the MTK usage, and that's all for the lab number 5 with the layer 2 DOS, denial of service against the WLANs.